Namaskar and hello. Welcome to your favorite Shri Devi Classes YouTube channel where we inculcate interest and confidence in technical professional practices. Today in our playlist Electrical Lineman will study electrical line or phase tester and understand its construction, working, function and limitations. Let's start study of electric line tester. For inspection, whether the supply line voltage is present or is not present on any electrical equipment or electric wiring network, whether it is a socket, outlet or a plug point or an end terminal of cable or wire, or in fault finding of any electric appliance or circuit, we generally use a indispensable without which our testing and fault finding work is not possible and very economic and simple line tester screwdriver. Now these line tester is also known as phase tester or neon tester. We use such protective line tester to make repairs, fault finding, and when we use such line tester, it safeguard us and avoid danger of electricity, whether it is a poor insulation condition or some humid, wet conditions are surrounding our electric installations. One free end of this line tester is a metallic rod, and metal tip of this rod is given a screwdriver shape. This tip acts as a test probe and is placed in contact with object that we have to test. As here in this socket outlet at this plug positions, we have inserted this metallic screwdriver tip. Now user has to make a contact with other end of screwdriver where there is a metallic cap and a body part of user touch it with body on the floor. Now floor got a earth connection of body got a electric contact with this metal cap, and this screwdriver circuit with this test point make a complete electric circuit. Our line tester or phase tester will work only when this circuit get completed between test point, internal circuit of screwdriver, metal cap, human body and ground. And if this test position got phase voltage or a hot wire or a live line point, then it will circulate current in this circuit, and by that current this neon lamp will give a glow to indicate that we are testing a phase or line wire here. The tester use a sensitive neon bulb, and that bulb indicate a visible glow by a very low and safe current flowing in this circuit as well as in human body. This high value series resistance connected in this circuit between neon bulb and this metallic screwdriver acts to limit the test current flow in this circuit less than 1 milliampere, which is we call let go current, and such 1 milliampere order current won't make any difficult sensation in human body, as our body can sustain small 1 milliampere current flow through it without any trouble. Electric line tester is very economic, simple, versatile and useful tool, and the function which it can perform are it can detect live wire or live phase voltage condition in any domestic voltage circuitry, whether it is wiring network or working appliances. The metallic screwdriver can also be used to loose or tight small screws which are given in various electrical installations and appliances. Our electrical line tester can also test position of phase and neutral in socket outlets. Now this electrical line tester has certain limitation in use. It can work only between voltage ranging from 100 volt to 500 volt. For voltages less than 100 volt, the current in neon bulb circuitry becomes so small that it may not give you clear visible indications, and for voltages more than 500 volt for test, the current in line tester circuit as well as in human body may create shock conditions to human bodies. So it is recommended that one should not use electrical line tester in high voltage circuit having voltages more than 500 volt. In humid conditions when insulation of surrounding is not proper, line tester got certain wrong indications due to the flow of leakage current through neon bulbs, and even in neutral test positions due to surrounding leakage current passing through our neon bulb, we may get a visible indications. So it need a dry, humidity free environment for testing purpose. Though our neon bulb is very sensitive and give good enough light output, but when test current is quite small, the visible light could only be detectable if surrounding light is low low in amount. In bright conditions, the dim light of neon tester may not be visible. So it need low light surroundings for test purpose. Often a user has to cover a bit of neon lamp to get indications when surrounding light is high. If internal circuitry of neon tester get damaged, the resistance gets shorted or there is short circuiting in between, it may create lethal shocks during testing to human bodies. So proper maintenance of line tester circuitry is very necessary for safe working of such electrical line tester. The construction of line tester is very simple and quite economic. It has an insulating transparent hollow plastic casing under which the tester circuitry, spring contact, neon lamp, high resistance and metal rod connections exist. The insulating property of this plastic casing provide protection against touching the live part of test circuit, and its transparency help us to detect glow of lamp if that is there or not. This metallic rod is free and conductor part of tester. The tip of it is given a screwdriver shape, and this tip act as a test probe and connected to current carrying part of electric circuit, whether they are phase or neutral connected. The other end of this metallic screwdriver rod is connected to a high value of series resistance in this internal circuit of phase tester. In this economic and simple neon tester, we can use this screwdriver tip for loosening or tightening of screws available in electric wiring components or appliances. Major part of this conductor rod is sheathed with a heavy PVC plastic covering to provide safety against electric shocks which might occur if user touch this metallic rod part. The second end of line tester is threaded metallic cap at the top of screwdriver in which internal circuitry components, spring connector, neon lamp and high value resistance is housed in contact with metallic screwdriver rod having second end test probe. During testing, cap is in contact with human body and body got a ground connection. So when test probe is inserted in a socket plug or is connected to any current carrying conductor, if that position is a live phase or line position, then with line and earth which is connected to neutral of our distribution system, a complete electric circuit is formed and current will flow through neon lamp to give indication of phase or line wire position, and the same current also passes through human body, but the user doesn't got any kind of electric shock because dry human body got sufficient resistance, especially the foot contact with ground or this finger contact at top cap. But to limit current flow in this circuit, we also use a high value resistance in series of this circuit, and typically this resistance got a value around 2 mega ohm, so that when we use this circuitry in 230 volt supply, the current flow will get limited in 1 milliampere range or remain even less than 1 milliampere value. Now 1 or 2 milliampere current is let go current, and which when passes through human body won't make any difficulty sensation in human body, as our body can withstand bear that flow of small let go current of the order of 1 milliampere or less. In internal circuitry, threaded metal cap is followed by a spring connector, and connector got a electric contact with neon lamp, and other end of neon lamp is connected with a high value resistance, and resistance got a contact with metallic rod. Other end of that rod is free test probe position. Now during working, when the screwdriver is used to loose or tight screws and is rotated, this spring connector absorb pressure of mechanical action and protect this sensitive neon bulb assembly against all sort of damages which may occur during mechanical working. Now in tester, a side clamp is also attached with this metal cap, and this clamp is used to hold tester in our pockets when not used. Sensitive neon bulb is the key key component of line tester, and it is connected between spring connector and high value resistance. In this test circuit, a neon lamp got two electrodes with a small displacement in a glass enclosure in which we fill a gas mixture of 80% neon and 20% other compositions. When a small voltage difference come across these two electrodes, an arc will strike in between two electrodes, and that discharge in neon environment produce characteristic glow around neon lamp. During testing, when test probe is in live wire contact and this metal cap is touched by a human body which is grounded, a current will flow in this complete electric circuit through human body in this neon bulb, and sensitive neon bulb take very little, less than 1 milliampere current to produce good visible indications to inform that test position is in touch with phase wire. A sensitive neon lamp takes very little current to give light output, and that current less than 1 milliampere could be withstood by human body. So we can use human body impedance for testing purpose in such neon lamp circuits without risk of electric shock to human body. Working of phase or line tester or neon tester is very simple. It's a simple series circuit formed between test probe, metallic rod connector, high value series resistance, neon lamp, spring connector, metallic cap, and human body which is grounded during test and is in touch with metal cap. So line wire position and earth connection of ground form a complete electric circuit. When our one body part, say tip of finger, is touched to this metal top cap of line tester, and small current flow through series circuit along with neon lamp and human body. Since current amount is very small, so human body won't got any trouble from that small let go current, and sensitive neon lamp can give light output if this test probe is in touch with main line, phase or hot wire position. During testing, current in this series circuit is limited to safe value by this high value series resistance which is shown enlarged here. The typical value of this series resistance is around 2 mega ohm. So when we use such circuits in domestic Indian supply voltage 230 volt, the current flow get limited to 1 milliampere value or even less, and that small current passes through both neon lamp and human body. Small current won't make any trouble or shock conditions to human body, but sensitive neon lamp will indicate light glow if we have touched this test probe with phase, line or hot position of electric circuit contact. If during testing neon bulb doesn't show any glow, it means there is no current flow. That means the other end of screwdriver, that is test probe, and this ground connection got identical potential. It means test probe is in contact with either neutral wire or is in connection with an isolated part of electric circuit where the main line supply of phase wire get disconnected or broken in somewhere in mid of circuitry. So we can say a glow will indicate that test probe is in touch with phase or line contact position, and not glow position of neon lamp indicate that this test probe is either connected to a neutral point or is in connection with an isolated part where main supply is disconnected. When line tester is used in domestic distribution supplies, even that supply voltage is dangerous and proper safety precautions and protective measures are required to handle working of line tester. If electric circuit is very difficult and we have little awareness about its functioning, then one should not work on such electrical circuit without proper guidance or care. One must work on electric circuit only with required knowledge and skill for working of that fault finding or repair action. Even a phase tester or line tester show absence of glow or a indication that touched position don't have phase or hot supply. Even in that conditions, one should not touch those open wire or conductors. These line tester can be used only in between 100 volt to 500 volt supplies, and one should not use these line tester with high voltages because high voltages may create excessive current through our body to cause fatal electric shocks. One should not use line tester as ordinary screwdriver is used to transfer pressure of one section to another section by hitting on its handle by other external tools, because in that mechanical impact the tester neon bulb may get damaged. One must understand the electric supply got tremendous power in it, and in case of negligence and careless operation, electric power can become a powerful enemy that can kill any operating personnel, and it can create serious damaging consequences, even death of operating personnel. So one should read all cautions and instruction before doing electrical repair and maintenance work. Look, the LT distribution supply is also dangerous main voltage, so be careful while working on such voltages with such line testers. We hope now you understand what is line or phase tester, what is its construction and working, and what functions it can perform. Our other videos of same playlist will help you in your professional working and enhance your competency and confidence while working. We end here only, and we appreciate your interest and support in our videos. Thank you very much.